Yo, I got my first order. This one's gonna be for McDonald's. $8.75 going just about 4 miles. Please leave my order to the right of the door and ring the doorbell. Please don't block the door with my order. Thank you. Okay, I can do that. Next order's up. Looks like we've got a stack. This is gonna be Carl's Jr. and Sherry's. $20 going just under 9 miles. Both of these restaurants have potential of being a bit of a wait. Regardless, I should be able to complete them in less than an hour, so it's gonna be worth it no matter what. Thank you. You too. One down, one to go. That was ready for me. Kind of surprising. But the next order is gonna be just across the street. Yeah, if this wasn't a busy street, I could literally just run across it. But I'm not trying to get hit by a car today, unfortunately.
Right?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank
you have
you.
a great day.
You as well. All right, not too bad of a wait. Other person's food is still nice and hot. Don't ring doorbell, please and thank you. You got it. Okay, next orders. This is going to be a grocery pickup from Safeway, I believe. I think it's multiple orders actually. So hopefully they all fit in my car. It's gonna be $19 going just under 6 miles.
There you go. Sometimes on them they'll have notes for the driver.
Okay.
In case it's like just it's going to be the house or directions don't show up right.
Gotcha, gotcha.
And you're all set.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, so we got one here, and then this is gonna go in the front seats. This one says, leave on porch if no answer. All right, on to the next one. This one says a bunch of spam. Basically just telling me that they're in an apartment, which I could have figured that out, but thank you, I guess.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you need to take a picture at all, or?
I have no clue. I'll let you know in just a second.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah. Okay, last one says, please ring the doorbell and leave groceries outside. You got it. I just got my next order. This one's gonna be for IHOP. $10 going about 4 miles. Let's see how they are doing today. Parking lot looks pretty empty. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day. You too. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $17 going 5 miles, 5 items. Kind of crazy. Two of this. 2 of these. Next order just came in. This is going to be for Starbucks. $8 and some change going 4 miles. Got my next order as I was dropping that off. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $15 going 8 miles, 2 items. Kind of high on the mileage, but should be a good order either way. This. This. It says ring doorbell. I can do that. Finally got my next order. This one's gonna be for 7-Eleven. $7 going 2.5 miles. Seven meat and 5 roasted veggies, large.
We no longer sell 7 meat, we now sell spicy meat.
All right, don't worry about it, thank you. Yeah, we do not have time for that, so moving on. I finally got my next order. This one's gonna be for Cinnabon, $14 going 7 miles. This is the bad part about the mall orders. No parking. Thank you. Okay, I thought they were trolling, but this is literally just one roll. Car guys, don't be obnoxious challenge. What was I saying? Oh yeah, this is literally just one roll and a side of cream cheese frosting. Why are they paying so much for this? Here we go. Why are there 3 buildings with the same letter?
Your destination is on the right.
Shut up. Just got my next order. This is gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $13 going 4 miles, only 2 items. Let me call them because this is like a very specific thing. Hopefully she responds in the next 2 minutes. Otherwise, I'll just pick one of the substitutes. Or maybe it was just a distraction item, so I wouldn't pay too much attention to the laxatives that they wanted. One is diced tomatoes and one is green beans. So like, I don't know what to do. All right, well, they're not answering, so I'm just gonna substitute it for green beans because there's a ton of these. Said go ahead and bypass the canned pumpkin. Just need the laxative or the canned pumpkin because my kitten is constipated. Gotcha.
Phone number.
Thank you. And with that, I am over it. Current time is 12:17. Current total is 124. And now I'm waiting for that last one that I literally just dropped off. Probably around 1:30-ish, hopefully, maybe. I don't know, man. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.